Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to start the lesson. No men are foreign. It's written by James Kirkhope. No men are foreign. His poetical career began with the short verses, haikus and tankas. Okay, they are figures of speech. They are collected from Japan. Okay, he was a fellow of the Royal Society of Literature in 1962. Look at them. Okay, they are from different countries. Though they are from different countries, okay, so we should not consider them as foreigners. We should not hate them. What we eat, what we sing, what we play, what we wear, what we do, anything similar, quite similar. So they are also from the Mother Earth. Why should we hate them? They are also we should treat them as universal brotherhood. Let us look at the first stanza. First stanza describes universal brotherhood. Okay, no men are strange, no countries are foreign. Okay, because okay, under the military forces, okay, all are one and the same. It may be India, or it may be Pakistan, or it may be Nepal, or so and so countries. Okay, what we breathe, they also the same. Okay, they are like ours. Okay, how we do we treat our brothers in our country, in the similar also they also. Okay, they also love as much as we love the earth, Mother Earth. So we should show universal brotherhood. Listen, one day they can die, we can also die, and everybody is taken to graveyard or crematorium. In the second stanza, okay, it says they also they also like us take sunlight and breathe air and quench their thirst by drinking water. Okay, they also love peace like us. When there is a good harvest and they sit together with the people, they are the pleasant things. That time they are happy. Whenever there is a winter, there is a war. Due to war, they are starved. We are also starved. So, peaceful stands for harvest. Harvest stands for peaceful. Okay. Winter stands for harvest. Starved. Starved. Sorry. So remember that their hands are ours. Like there we are also. In their lines we read. Okay. They okay. They do hard work. We also do hard work. So their hard work and our hard work are nothing differences at all. See there, when they are happy, they enjoy, they sit and eat together, etc. If there are wars, okay, they are starved. Even we also face the same problem. See, farmers cultivate at that time they are happy. Okay, in the third stanza, look at here. Here, they also like us, they wake up and they sleep. Okay, so we should not think about them as foreigners. They are also human beings like us. So we should win their heart through our love. Okay, every land is common. Okay, we should recognize it and understand it. Okay, there are no differences. See here, this clear picture says about universal brotherhood. There are very okay. All are from same. Now, let us remember that some people they instigate to hate our brothers. Here, brothers refer to foreigners. Okay. So, if we do so, it reflects upon us. If you create war, it reflects upon what? Us. If we hate others, it falls upon us. So, we should not deprive of other people, we should not cheat them, and we should not condemn them. We should accept them as our brothers. That means the foreigners. Okay, if you take arms against each other, look at this. It was Hitler. Hitler, he instigated war and instigated people that not to like the other countries. Okay, due to this, what war occurred, and many they suffered. Many they suffered, huh? And many they starved to death. So remember that it is human earth that we defile. So if we hate, look at here. Okay, if you take arms against each other, means if you want to create a war, we are defiling the society, country, okay, the whole mother earth. Okay, our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence. If we defile, here defile means destroy or pollute. If we pollute our mother earth, by this what happened? Many innocent persons, they face a lot of problem due to war. Okay, and they lose their lives, etc. Okay, of air that is everywhere our own. Wherever you see, you think of it as it is our own. So no men are foreign, no countries are strange. Okay, if you think of so, definitely they should love you, we should love them. Look at this. War stands for destruction. Okay, so this is the universal brotherhood. Rhyming scheme. It doesn't have any specific rhyming scheme. So this lesson is completely free verse. Alliteration. See here, a single body breathes. It's taken from the lesson. B is repeated. Metaphor. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. So here uniforms, metaphor means indirect simile. Comparison between two persons or two things, at least one quality is similar, but indirect simile, without as or like. Militaries of different countries, uniforms means. Okay, here see one more metaphor. War's long winter starved. Starvation experienced during unproductive winters describes the want and hunger faced during the wartime. Repetition. Look at the repetition. Remember 5 times. Okay, remember is repeated 5 times, and sentences, some sentences also. The last stanza of the last line. Remember, no men are foreign, no countries are strange. The first line of the first stanza. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. So these are called repetition. Words or phrases or sentences or lines are repeated. Okay, thank you for watching this.